Hey, come on up. Love them maize. What are you at, the days horse? Huh? None of it shy.